Far off in the distance are some beautiful white-capped mountains of Vancouver. Today is a beautiful day. Not usually a ramen day, we go for rainy days. But we're gonna go for ramen. Kind of looks like an Applebee's. Now we have a nice view of the kitchen. So this is Kokoro Tokyo Mazesoba. I think this is like a dry ramen. Let's see what we got here. Spicy Mazesoba. So yeah, this is like a dry one. What's going on here? Okay, here we go. More than ramen. Japanese style mixed ramen. So it comes with a raw egg, slow braised chasu, we know that, the pork, seaweed, that's a nori, green onion, runny egg yolk, grinded saba fish, that's new. Soft boiled egg. I think that's the thing to get. So that's the cream Mazesoba. So that's comes in a broth maybe. This is the Tokyo one. I guess that's the standard one. But this one says popular. And then we've got Zenbu. Well, oh, carbonara. All right, we'll have to ask her what to get. Salmon. There's all sorts of stuff on here. This place looks awesome. Okay, I got to the bottom of this, so I asked her. She said that the Niku Mazesoba is with the chasu, and then the Tokyo is no chasu, and then this one up here, the Menteko, is with like a raw fish, which is like a salmon. So we're going Tokyo because it sounds delicious, and it also says it on the front of the menu. All right, let's explore what these little side condiments are. It's like some sort of incredibly hot chili. This looks like black pepper and vinegar. I think I'll be using some of that. Look what I found. A trusty how to eat Mazesoba guide, so we can follow that. I'm trying to do my research. So Taiwan Mazesoba, which actually originated from Nagoya Prefecture in Japan. I think this is the genesis of this dish. Japan, I don't know why it's called Taiwan. Hopefully, holy, look at this beautiful thing. Smells good. Okay, here we go. Break the yolk and mix and eat. I can do that. Wow. I wish you could smell that jiggly kind of runny squeakiness happening here. This is proper. I guess these are like thicker noodles. Like an udon noodle. I don't know if this classifies as ramen, but we're going for it. Whoa. Umami smash to the face. The raw egg yolk adds like a creaminess. And the seaweed adds kind of a real salty, umami, briny type flavor. This is aggressive flavors. It's very good. If you're over some boring plain food, come eat this stuff. This city's wild. There's like 30 different types of regional ramen. Look at that glistening, noodly goodness. Oh wait, we have to follow the instructions. Try adding vinegar when feeling greasy and salty. Let's do that. Thanks. Good neighbors. Okay, we've added a little vinegar. That definitely freshens things up. A little acidity to cut through the fat. I like that with the vinegar. Damn. Let's follow the next rule. Add extra chili flakes and peppers if you love spicy. I love spicy. Chili can. This is like interactive. I like the instructions. Whoa, this chili just hit me in the nose. It's hot. This is hot. It's getting better. The vinegar, chilies. Woo! I'm gonna clean you out. Okay, it said add pepper. How do I do this? There you go. I may have put way too much pepper in, but we're gonna go for it. Stir it up. This may become this is basically a carbonara. Pepper, eggs. Or like a cachiri pepe. Damn. Thank you. Okay, and then I guess I get my rice at the end. But the ground beef in here adds big depth of flavor. It's really seasoned. There might be like 40,000 milligrams of salt in here, but it's good. Probably need a cold beer with it. Okay, get a free portion of rice and mix with the remaining sauce. I can do that. I like it when food comes with instructions. All right. What happens now? Oh yeah, that's a nice way to level things out a little. Look at this. Raw egg, vinegar, pepper, chili, rice, green onion, seaweed, ground meat. Everything but the kitchen sink here at the Tokyo Mazesoba. Okay, I beat the game. It's time for the water chart. Necessary. Here in Vancouver, look, we have low-carb noodles, vegan ramen, and if you really want, a franchise opportunity. All right, what do we do here? $14.65 for my Tokyo Mazesoba. Seems to be the going rate of ramen, 14 to maybe 17 bucks, something like that. They gave me this mint, which is exciting. Maybe it's a Japanese mint. Refreshing end to a hugely flavorful dish. Thank you. Ooh. Well, that's it. Another ramen joint under the books. That was good.